Hey guys, I have some brand new limited edition merch available in 3 different designs that I helped create. They're available in multiple styles, including hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, and more, and you can choose between many colors and of course multiple sizes. Check out the link down below before the campaign ends to help support this channel and also get your hands on some awesome shirts. Hello everyone, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another mukbang. Today we have a delicious spaghetti and vegan meatball dish right here, and I even put some vegan cheese on top. Yes, my friends, we are doing the whole shebang. We even have some cheesy toast. This is just an English muffin, but I did put some of my favorite vegan cheese on here, which is chow cheese, so that is what I have all over. Oh my gosh, guys. Can we take a moment? Can we take a moment? Whew. Yes, this is fully vegan, my friends. Fully vegan, 100% vegan. As a vegan, you can still enjoy food like this. So I'm very excited. So let's dig in. All right, guys, let's dig in. Seems a bit far away. This is the first time I made this type of meatball. I'm impressed with myself. This is the cheesy. I'm telling you, this chow cheese is so good. Whew. Okay, so I already have a vegan meatball recipe on my channel if you guys haven't checked that out. It's using lentils and it's really good. And this time I actually used chickpeas because I didn't want to cook lentils. I already had some chickpeas that I already opened. And I just added like random spices and it's so good. I mixed udon noodles once again with whole wheat spaghetti. And I even made the sauce from scratch. Oh my gosh, I've outdone myself. Yeah, I just basically ran out of spaghetti. I only had a little bit of whole wheat spaghetti left, so I just added it in with some udon noodles. Of course, the udon noodles make it even more tasty. So good. Guys, why are they breaking? If you're vegan, you can still have your spaghetti and meatball. Look at that. Look at that. Whoops, I dropped a noodle. Look at the inside of this. So good. Alright, so I thought in this mukbang, I don't really have a topic, so I'm going to answer some questions that I asked on Instagram. And I asked a while ago, but I got a lot of questions and I couldn't get to a lot of them. So, and obviously I know that not all of you guys have Instagram, so I'm just going to answer a few of these questions. Okay, so first question I see is, do you think veganism can help one with an eating disorder? Honestly, guys, I'm not an expert on eating disorders at all. I think that's something that maybe professionals can help you with, but it's definitely not me. I've never had an eating disorder, so I really would not be the expert in this field, so I'm not sure. But I do know that a lot of people that have suffered with eating disorders, a lot of them have gone vegan, so I don't know if there's like a link, but yeah, I'm definitely not the person to answer that question. Oh my god. I feel like I have cheese on my teeth. If you have to pick one for the rest of your life, beer or wine? I think that's the question. My answer, I think most of you know, it's gotta be wine. I do love beer, but it depends on the mood. I'm pretty much always in the mood for wine. Beer, it would have to be like, I would have to be in the mood. But wine, girl, I mean, I wish I had a glass of wine right now. This would be perfect. But it is only 2 p.m. so. Why do you always dye your hair? Can you see the blue? A lot of it's grown out now. My roots are pretty grown out because my hair is quite damaged, so I thought I would leave it alone for a bit, you know? But the reason why I always dye my hair is, I don't know, I just really enjoy dyed hair. I think it's fun. I like to express myself in this way. I always think, you know, we only have one life. We might as well have some fun. And I always liked, you know, being a little unique, standing out a little bit, not looking like everybody else. So that's why I always have some sort of bright hair color. Let's do another bite. Why is it breaking? Whew. Do you like metal music? No, I don't know. Are you still waking up at 5 every morning? Good question. Not every morning, but I definitely do wake up at 5 in the morning at least a few times a week now. I'm definitely not able to do it every single day, but I would say probably at least 2 or 3 times a week I do wake up at 5 in the morning. For example, this morning I woke up at 5. For those of you that are like, why would you wake up at 5 in the morning? Well, I do have an entire video where I basically tried waking up at 5 in the morning every single morning for a week, and I found that I just got so much done, so I just thought I would continue when I can. And there's just like a whole philosophy behind it, like, you know, like those that are successful, a lot of people have a very early morning routine, you know, getting the day started early. They say there's a lot of benefits to it, and definitely when I wake up at 5 in the morning, almost always I get so much done, you know. Do you think the whole world will ever be vegan? Oh, good question. I think that no. I don't think that that would happen. I think, okay, here's the thing. I feel like it's very hard to completely eliminate all animal exploitation. I want to say yes, but maybe the pessimist in me is like, no. I think we could potentially reach a world where our political and economic system is vegan. For example, all of the systematic, you know, injustices for animals could be eliminated. You know, laws and regulations could be completely vegan friendly at some point. I'm not sure when. That could be a possibility. Do I think that the entire world, every single individual could go vegan? Not necessarily, because just like there's still human exploitation, there's still probably going to be animal exploitation to some level. But I would like to believe that we could reach a level where systematically almost all animal exploitation is eliminated. But who knows? Definitely not in my lifetime. So I would never know because I would never see it. I don't know, who knows? A lot can happen in a few decades. And I'm vegan, so that means I'm basically gonna live to 200, right? Mmm. 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 I was craving this. Mmm. I really need to do this meatball recipe. I know I have a meatball recipe, but this one, oh, I think it's even better than what I did last time. And it was just totally random. Ooh. Mmm. 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 I'm gonna answer one more question. When did you get started doing YouTube full time? So I started my YouTube channel May 2015. I was living in London, UK at the time, and I was working full time at an office, and I just kind of did YouTube as, you know, as a hobby. Yeah, it just kind of picked up really quickly for some reason. I think it's the name of my channel, to be honest. At the time, there wasn't really many channels that were focusing on like cheap and lazy vegan recipes and things like that. So my channel grew relatively quickly. And yeah, eventually it grew to a point where I was like, okay, I could see doing this full time. It could be a possibility. And basically I was in London on a 2-year working holiday visa. So when I started my channel, I was already a year into my visa almost, because I had moved to London in June 2014. So I had a year when I was doing YouTube part-time, and then when I had to leave the UK and come back to Canada, I didn't have a job in Canada. I didn't have anything lined up anyway, so I thought, hey, I might as well pursue this as a job. I was basically moving back in with my parents anyway for the time being, so I figured this would be my really good opportunity to build up a full-time YouTube career. So I moved back from the UK after some traveling and stuff in September 2016, about a year and a few months after I started my YouTube channel, and that is when I started doing it full time, my friends. Guys, I am defeated. I cannot eat anymore, and I really don't want to be forcing myself to eat too much, so that is where I will end today's mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed eating some spaghetti and meatballs with me. If you guys want a very simple lentil meatball recipe, I will link the recipe video down below. It is delicious. It's not what I ate here, but I think I need to do a recipe video on this chickpea meatball. It's quite similar, except for I used chickpeas instead of lentils, and some other spices and stuff, and it was so good, so I might need to do another recipe video. But anyways, if you guys want to watch more mukbang videos, I have a playlist that I will link down below, so you guys can check those out. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!